Need to play YouTube videos on your Amazon Echo Dot? Even though it doesn't have a YouTube app, you can still listen to YouTube audio with some simple steps. In this video, I'll guide you on how to play YouTube videos in your Echo Dot using Bluetooth. Let's jump right into it. Before we start, check the basics. Make sure your phone is connected to the Alexa device. Your phone has a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. Your Bluetooth is turned on. After that, try to follow the steps. Open the Alexa app on your phone. Now tap on the device's icon below. It looks like a bulb. Now tap on your Echo device name. Next, tap Connect the device under Bluetooth connection. Make sure to turn on Bluetooth on your other device. Now pair your device from here. Now I go to your YouTube and play videos. Make sure to volume up. And here it is. That's how you can play YouTube videos on your Amazon Echo Dot. If this video helped you, please tap the like button. If you have any questions, write them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and take care.